Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this stunning 4-bedroom townhouse in the heart of Leamington Spa. Just a short walk to the town centre. The property's got a potential 5th bedroom, which is set up as an excellent home office. And at the rear, we've got a delightful rear garden and we've got a garage. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the rear garden of this amazing home. It's hard to find outside space and a garage at the rear in the heart of the town centre. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.